in Holiday Spa and Hotel. Thanks to Travel Book for the 800 points. So I just arrived here in my room in Holiday Spa and Hotel. Init. Karon pa open ang aircon pero I have a big bed. Yes. The room looks great. The design is cool. Yeah, it's like simple, but it's not as beautiful as 5-star hotel, or yeah, it's just a simple hotel, really. It's been a simple room. Forgive me for my messy hair. This is where our cabin stand. So let's have a tour. What's this? Let's see. The restroom. It's special. Feels comfortable, it's comfy, it's big. One, it's Christmas, and we're currently here at the pool side of the Holiday Spa